OpenAI Studio review. Hello humans and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video, we'll talk about this software called OpenAI Studio. So right now we are on the sales page. How do you come to the sales page? For that, you will find the link below my YouTube video. It will be saying grab a OpenAI Studio copy here. Click on that link. That link will take you to the sales page where you will get some discount as well. So use that coupon code and go and buy this using my link below. Whether you want OpenAI Studio or not, still go and buy if you want my bonuses. So what my bonuses are, we'll discuss that in the end. I don't talk about the bonuses in the beginning. I'll discuss the bonuses in the end, and also I'll talk about how to make real money online. So I'm making these review videos only for the sake of the review. I'm not interested into any of these things, okay? I have real methods which makes me money, so stick till the end to know what actually makes money, okay? And if you want to buy my own software which I have launched on OpenAI Plus, you can check in the description my OpenAI Plus perks here. Click on this link, and then top 3 are my software in the list here, so you can check out the software launched and created by me only. This is for generating images, this is for affiliate marketing campaigns. So I have explained this in the end as well, okay? So let's start here. What do we have? This is again some other AI shit, okay? So break through the break and this, break that. All you have to do is keep scrolling, keep scrolling, keep scrolling, keep scrolling, and find the demo video, okay? All you need to do is find the demo video. That's my job, to walk you through to the demo video somewhere here. So when you come 50% on the sales page, then you will find the demo video which you have to watch for 5 minutes. I have that demo video right here. I'll show you, but first of all, let's get done with this sales page and those question and answers at the bottom, maybe somewhere. Where are they? Right here. So do I need high-end computer? No, just read everything. I'm not into the mood today, okay? uh yeah, so I'm telling you again, I am doing these reviews only for the sake of the review. I make money in my own ways. And if you don't even want this OpenAI Studio, but if you want my bonuses, which you will get to know later, then just go and pick it up using my link below. This is called demo video. So what do I do here? Let's maximize. Okay, that's demo video. So you have the same AI chatbot, some models here, maybe all the models. So you have to go and watch the video in your free time for 5 minutes. Okay, so you choose your category. What do you want the software to do? Create videos for you, create images for you, create music for you, create code for you. You can go and check us out, okay? Then what we got? We are creating a website here, I guess. You got the content, as you can see. Then you have some image here. You can create the whole video, which is like 4 seconds long. That's the whole video, 4 seconds, okay? And then what we have some coding, so you can create your HTML code. You can generate some music as well. Okay, so go and check out this demo video. That's the key. So you will find the demo video on the sales page. Go and grab this OpenAI Studio copy using my link below. There are some OTOs right here, which you can see on the screen. Close this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, whatever OTOs are. Go and pick and choose, okay? My bonuses are already linked with the sales page. This is my bonus URL. So when you will buy this using my link below, the bonuses will be automatically delivered. All these reviews are not important to me. The only reason I make these videos, so when you watch these reviews and after in the end, when you watch when you watch the last 5 minutes of this video, that is the reality and that is the only reason I make these reviews. So now go and watch these last 5 minutes of the video. Alrighty humans, so we are done with the review. Now let's talk about the bonuses. So the number one bonus is free lifetime email autoresponder. So if you want to get started with email marketing, you will need an email autoresponder so that you can grab leads and send emails. So you will get this for free. And then second is access review to profit AI. So that's my software right here. You just type in your product name, the sales page, some keywords here, and then choose one of these things and click on generate campaign, and you will get all the marketing material. Okay, so review to profit AI. And if you want to see the demo video for Review to Profit AI, then you can click on this link, says check out all my Warrior Plus products right here. And then you will come here and click on this link and go and watch the demo video for Review to Profit AI, okay, to know how this works. But it's quite simple actually. So next bonus is grab Kishacking free copy. So this is a 2 hours training on YouTube, which looks like this. 2 hours 9 minutes, and in this training you will learn exactly what I am doing right now or what others are doing, meaning that how to make these YouTube reviews and how to get sales. So you can start a brand new channel and do these reviews and get some sales and make some commission. If you want to do that, this training is for you, okay? Then we have Forex Profit Machine. This is a PDF guide for those people who are curious about Forex trading. So if you know nothing about it, you can go through this 11,000 words PDF with case studies to get a basic idea what Forex trading is, okay? And if you have any questions, you can drop me an email on this. And what else do we have? So let's come below my video. We have some links which you can use to make money. So this link says swing like a pro. This is not for everybody. It's for only it's for people who are interested in trading, okay? So in case you have the funds to invest, you can try this trading if you want. You can find more information if you click on this link and follow the instructions and watch the videos, okay? So the requirement is that you have to have the money. It's not for people who are living on budget, okay? Second link is get YouTube channel monetized and make money. So this is all. This is for people who want to make YouTube videos and make money by getting free traffic, okay? So when people watch YouTube videos, they are your free traffic, just like you're watching my video, right? So you can click on this link and find more information with this YouTube program that's called Traffic Jarvis. Your YouTube channel will be monetized just within 4 weeks, okay? So go and try this. If you are serious about making money on YouTube, this is for you. And then if you want to buy my software, my Warrior Plus products, you click on this link and then you come here and you can buy the Shim AI or Launch to Profit AI, because this one will generate awesome images for you. You can use that in ChatGPT or wherever, okay? So go and watch the demo here. And Launch to Profit AI will generate all the affiliate campaigns. So go and click on these pages and watch the demo video there, okay? What else do we have? We have a system which says get 100 leads per day. So if you want 100 email leads per day and also you want to email them once per day, then go and check out this link here. And then it says book consultation with me. So if you click on this link here, you can speak to me one-to-one if you have any questions about anything. And you come here and click on book now. That will cost you $97 for 40 minutes, okay? So you can speak to me one-to-one audio call, 40 minutes, $97. So you make the payment and then drop me an email with your timing. When do you want to speak to me? We can mutually discuss the timing, okay? Or if you have any questions, you can email me when before. So I think we are covered here. Do we have anything else to talk about? Kiss tracking is I'm giving you as a bonus, okay? Because as you can see here, I'm selling kiss tracking separately and I'm selling this review to profit separately as well, okay? But if you go and buy using my link, then you will get this as a bonus, okay? So how do you get all these bonuses? Well, if you go and buy this product for which we have done the review using my link below, then you will get all these bonuses automatically, okay? Otherwise, you can go and buy one of those my software which I have shown you, Drishyam AI or Launch to Profit AI. Buy one of these things and then email me your receipt and I'll send you these bonuses manually, okay? And if you want all these free, if you want everything here as a bonus for free, then you have to go and buy this thing called the YouTube monetization program called Traffic Jarvis. So if you buy this YouTube program, you get all these bonuses for free, okay? I hope you are clear. One thing in the end, only buy if you want it, otherwise do not buy, okay? So what I mean to say is buy only if you want it, no refunds, okay? Make up your mind, then only buy from me, right? So use my link below to go and grab your copy if you want it, or if you want my reviews, because here you're getting a lot of value, okay? I told you I sell this separately, okay? So maybe you will be buying something for $10, $12, $10, $12, $15, and this is much more worth what you are getting as a bonus, okay? So only buy if you want it, don't buy if you're a refund seeker, okay? Anyways, thank you for watching so far, and I guess we are done. So subscribe, like, and share. Till then, take care.